Hello everyone, welcome to the Developers and Coders Club of NIT Agartala. Today we will discuss the today's contest problem. Count the number of vowel strings in the range. You are given a zero indexed array of string words and the two integers left and right. A string is called a vowel string if it starts with a vowel character and end with a vowel character. Where vowel characters are A, E, I, O and U, return the number of vowel strings in the words array belonging to the inclusive range left to right. So we will jump to the solution part. Here the test case second is taken. So we will just take the range from left to right in the words array. So you can clearly see that the green part is the range in which we can select any vowel string or search any vowel string. So we can see that from the index 1 to fourth index we can take the index 1. Here at the I equals to 1 string present is A, E, O, which is start with a vowel and end with a vowel. So we can take a count variable which is initialized from 0, and when we found any vowel strings, then we simply increment the count by 1, and when we found not found any vowel string, then we simply skip this. Then I equals to 2, mu is present, which is not a vowel string, so simply we will skip it. And I equals to 3, there is o, so this is start with a vowel and end with a vowel, so this is a vowel string, so we can increment the count and add 4. I equals to 4, there is A, R, T, R, O, so start with vowel and end with a vowel, so count plus plus. And now here count is 1, here count is 2, and here count is 3. So the final answer is count equals to 3. We can simply return it and we get our final answer. So we will jump to the code part, and here is code part. Simply we will take a count variable and traverse the words array from left to right, and when we find any vowel string, then simply we will increment the count by 1 and return the count. Thank you.